Where's Papa? Hi guys, how are you? How are we?
Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again. So today I'm gonna do land training and Kuya's gonna have his haircut and Mommy's driving. Say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
And
Tell them, Sabi, why you're not gonna have your swimming training today.
I'm not gonna attend swimming practice today because I have choir practice later at night.
Mommy's driving.
We're preparing for the
The Baguio, yeah. We're gonna like
hopefully before
emergency
it
kit.
lands here. It's totally.
So we received 3 boxes of brownies from.
The name is Brown Niesta PH.
So the name is Brown Yesta PH. Yeah. But we're gonna go to the barber first because it's early. Because our land training is 11 a.m. and it's 10:13 in the morning.
You know what, this is nice. Show it to them.
And like guys, Mommy has this cup. It's like this.
Careful, it has come.
And this one is like the thing for the straw. It's like that. And
Let's buy.
Yeah.
You asked
It's-
that to buy you.
it's just cheap. It's in the yellow basket. There. And we are wearing rubber shoes and leggings. And I'm wearing a t-shirt because it's gonna be hot. And we're gonna buy lunch.
Are you bringing your snorkeling?
Yes.
How about the yoga mat? It's at the back?
Yeah.
And your paddles?
In my bag.
Fins?
Since I'm bringing a lot
Your
of
fins?
it's in my
May
bag.
shampoo ka na in sabon?
Yeah, and
Towel?
conditioner. Here,
What towel are you bringing there?
the black.
Towel, kuya.
So, since I'm bringing a lot of stuff, I use a big bag when it's land training. And I also bring Crocs. We need slippers, you guys. And I'm gonna get tired because we're gonna do like 30 going around. So, see you guys later. Bye. Wait, what? See you guys later. Bye.
Happy Sunday. Where's Papa? Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph. It's Sunday today. Happy Sunday. Hi guys. Punta kami SM kasi bibili kami head cap nails for the swimming competition. And then, balik kami sa flea market kasi meron kami ipapapalit na binili. Hey, we're about to go home.
Hey, Mom, hello the camera.
Can we go there and take a
look,
photo?
guys, look at me.
Here na, let's wait for Dad here. Don't press it yet. Let's wait for Dad. Ahem. Okay, what can you say about the day?
It was I. It was time.
What?
It was I.
It was what?
I.
All right. Oh my God, that's. Can you not just say all right? Why do you have to say I?
That's how you say all right.
Really?
Yeah.
Who said that? Is
Everyone.
that Dad? Hindi mo sige po muna.
So guys, that was our day for today.
What?
Hi guys, how are you? How are you? It's me again, Stephs. Today we're back at the flea market again for the third time this week.
Yeah. Guess what? Chicken butt. Mommy. Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Guys, guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Wait, was it so close to my face?
Yeah.
No! They will see my booger. Lapit ito, kuya. Guys, look, I'm so good at up or down.
Down, of course.
This is a... Ah! Guys, I'm ready.
Stand clear of the doors.
Why did you follow, kuya?
Going down.
He follow me kaya. He sugat me kaya.
Elise, why you always
You habol me kaya.
You always talk
Ay, ipopost ko to ha.
You
Dada.
piliti me kaya.
Basement. Doors opening.
Don't have a plate number.
No, we will not.
Guys, what's inside my bag is my stuff.
What's inside your bag? We're going home. Call it a day.
Stop na, come on na. Kuya, where? Kuya. Ulit. Ulit.
Going down.
You want KFC there?
KFC?
KFC.
Basement. Doors opening.
Hi guys. So we're out. Hi baby. What's wrong? Hungry na, no? Super hungry na. Na? Super hungry na. May check lang kami here. Hi, Liz. Saan ka nakapark, Dad? Bibilisan na lang ni Dad mag-drive. Hi guys! How are you? How are we? It's us again! Nakita namin to, Sweet Fix, Nama, and Dream Cake. So, meron sila yung Royce inspired chocolate and Dubai pistachio
By chocolate.
yeah. Yun. So, this is how it looks like.
Do you have like the dark chocolate of this?
Charot. We got the Dubai. Anong kasi kinuha natin?
Dubai chocolate milk one. They have the milk one, they have the dark one, they have the biscoff. And they have the small ones of these. And it's also
That's the Royce one, yung parang naka-square.
yeah, it's like they also have the dark biscoff and milk.
Meron pa sila yung berry match. We got the classic one. So, let's open it, guys. Excited ka, madam?
Tatingin mo ba?
Medyo. So, let's open it.
It's so nice, guys. Kasi diba the other time we tasted the strawberry one. Wait, mami, dapat pakita mo yung ilagay ko sa ilagay. Like that.
So,
Wow!
grabe.
So amazing.
Ganyan sa loob.
Let's-
Wait lang. Ihati lang natin. What? Ay, ang laki pala niya. So, cheers tayo.
Cheers. Look at this, guys.
Ang sarap.
It's so good. I like the inside.
It's crunchy, no?
But I think, guys, the color is like the food coloring.
Design lang yan, but it's still chocolate. It's white chocolate, tapos dinisal nila. White chocolate yan, tapos nilagyan ng food color. Tingnan mo. Ang sarap. Alam mo, sabi ni Coach, Balkan chocolate.
Ano mo na lang yan. Post mo after ng laban.
May swimming competition kasi siya sa Friday, so bawal siya ng chocolate.
So yummy.
Call that. So, alam ko guys, meron silang Facebook, wait lang. Grabe, sobrang sarap. Meron silang Facebook and meron silang Instagram. So, this is their Facebook and Instagram. Kita nyo ba? You should see it. Ayan. That's their Facebook and Instagram. Sobrang sarap. Parang gusto kong try yung ube. You wanna try the ube? You wanna buy the ube? You wanna buy? Sarap. This is heaven. Okay, that's it guys. Bye! So, ako lang today kasi may dinner ako with my high school best friend. I'm here now sa Cafe Dia. So I'll be meeting her husband and her son. So
Dito Manila? Ay, sorry.
Mango smoothie.
Chocolate from ano?
Kakoy. Thank you.
Ba't nanay na yan? Nanay, hindi mo kita ang libutan. Ika, mami ro. Namuro mo. Okay po, sige, share na pa. Wapin, paras na kayo man na house, di ba? Ba't ang nasi-charon? Ate, nasi-charon din.
We're off to a birthday dinner. Sa likod silang dalawa. Punta kami sa Lola Sisa kasi birthday dinner ng high school best friend ko. Doon niya gagawin. She missed Filipino food. Kasi naka-for good na siya sa Canada. Yun lang. So we're here in Lola Sisa. It's her birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you! Hi, Alice! Hi, Bebe! Ay, sorry! Hi!
Baby, you bless.
Hello, Bebe!
Hey, ako ba na lang?
Hey, yung cake ako? Baka naman kayang dala ka na doon.
Hello. This is my husband, si Leo. Ika, bless ka. Tara. Ika. Ay, Tito, bless po.
Hi, God bless.
Bless kayo. Asawa ni Mrs. Jazz yan. Ay, good afternoon. Si Claude po dito. Ay, no, kaya pa. Tres leches. Hindi ako ba lang po yung tita.
Ay, wasas yan. Dapat yan nakadigdal lang.
Ay, ano pa nga tita? Dessert. Pang picture na. Vlog ka, Tagor. What, tita? God bless. Okay, hindi naman. Happy birthday!
Thank you! Ito pa pita. Wait, what? Hindi ko po
Ayan o. Kaya biyak yung vlog ko. Mamagkay ka pa. Nanong precautions ka rin pagdating silab? Nanggawan daw.
Nanggawan na?
Wow.
Mas labang bumbero, bahay lang mag-live. Bahay lang mag-video.
Bawas lang ang bombero na eh.
Tagapagtanggol ng mga inaapoy niya.
Oo. Sige ulit tagapagtanggol lang.
Tagapagtanggol ng mga inaapoy.
Tandaan yan guys. Just called, RR to the rescue. Hi, Dad. We're here at Lola Sisa. Hindi naka-vlog. Wait, tapadan kaya saglit. So, si birthday girl, Kina, nag-birthday siya sa Lola Sisa. Pinareserve niya 25 to 30 lang. Ay, sorry po.
Ano ba? Mistake.
Sige, start lang po. Ayun lang siya. Lapitan niyo na lang. Ayun lang po. Nakatayo lang po siya. Ayun.
Hi, my vlogger friend.
Yes, hi! Oh, this is Rain, guys. Watch him.
Hi.
Hi, I'm the birthday girl.
What can you say about your birthday?
Thank you for coming over. I really appreciate it. You know, I miss.
So, ganyan po yung mga friends namin, guys. Promote na pa yung cellphone.
Hi guys, my name is Rain and I'm Sisig Royal in drag. Hopefully you could follow me at Sisig Royal on Instagram. Mwah.
Sisig Royal. Watch his drag at Banta.
Banta Pampanga, yeah. And hopefully makapag-drag race Philippines.
Ano kasi sabihan ng Steph? Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Steph.
I'll make you for
So, ayun lang, guys.
Follow nyo siya, guys.
Yeah.
My bestie. My
Follow me.
bestie, the best. Magpa-drive kayo sa kanya anyway.
Itong si Steph po, madali pong kausap yan. Collab nyo na po siya soon.
Sa true.
Pwede kayo manutang dyan. Daming pera to.
Sponsoran mo ko?
Financing niyo pala yung
Ayun na.
Hindi na kami lukulok-lugo.
What? May katangan ka?
Na?
May katangan ka?
Hindi ko pa pwede.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy Make a wish!
Happy birthday!
Marami ko ba siya, mami? Bueno, siyempre Motabayo kami vaccine, di ba? Motabayo kami vaccine.
Pwede naman ibayo ka blood,
Lalagnat
no?
ka, yes.
Ay, this very good.
Siyempre, bayo mo datang.
Wow.
Puri-wari lagnat ka. Siyempre, gusto ka mag-enjoy.
Dapat sa bayo ka mama ko, ka ba vaccine?
Wow! Ito na!
Nasa ikubon po?
Wala.
Kasi, vaccine na ka.